guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I come to you with this look right here. I did do this look about a couple of years ago on my Instagram, and my skills have gotten a lot more better since then, so I thought I might as well film myself doing it, as I am in a bit of a rut of the kind of videos I want to put up. So make sure to give me a comment below of ideas you would like to see, tutorials or anything else from my channel. Yeah guys, if you guys like this look, stay tuned, and the look is about to follow. Once you've finished watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up, and leave me a lovely little comment of what you thought about this tutorial. Bye for now guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and once again I haven't filmed for quite a while, but I will do my best. I've fixed my light. I got the plug from my rice cooker onto it, so it's working right now. So I will do my best to do more videos. Let's see how this works out. So I've already done my brows, and I've applied foundation to the top of my forehead and my neck area, but I've left the rest of the face blank because I might have fallout, so I don't want to apply foundation right now. And I've done my base from the brow bone to the... So today I'm going to be playing with my single shadows. Some of these are Colourpop, some of these are ABH, and some of these are Makeup Geek. I will list all the names down below, and if they're still available or not, but I will do to the best of my knowledge what is available from these. So I'm going to start off by Fudge from Anastasia. Anastasia. Pick that up with a Dose of Colours brush, which looks like this. So it's quite fluffy yet flat, and I'm going to apply that to the crease. So how has everybody been? How is the lockdown going for you all? I'm quite liking it. I mean, I am a housewife, so it's not made much of a difference. Just my usual routines have gone a bit upside down because my kids are off school, so I let them sleep late and wake up late. Yeah, but I am planning on fixing that still. I just don't want them to get used to that kind of life anyway. But other than that, I'm doing quite fine. I am getting, it has been a month, I am getting a little bit frustrated that I cannot go out and go about my normal routine. I usually send my husband out if I need any shopping, because there's no point all of us going out. So yeah, it's been alright. At first I was a bit stressed, thinking how we would cope financially, but we're doing alright, so thank Allah for that. You know, I'm very lucky to be fine. So yeah, how's everybody else doing? How are you finding it? Leave a comment down below and let me know. So I've just applied that just in the middle here, so I've left the outer part empty. Actually, I'm gonna take it all the way. I'm gonna put it to the outer V as well. I'm just gonna get a bit of the base and put it on the outer edge of this one, because it's too late for this one. Actually, I'll just put it on top, see how it goes. So I've given up on my weight loss. I am putting on weight, but it's not so drastic. It's difficult to find everything when you go shopping, so it's too much stress for me, and I can't handle stress. So we are eating a lot more curries than usual, because obviously when you cook a curry, it lasts you for a long time. Okay, so now that that's done, it's looking funny at the moment, but it will come together. So the Morphe M506 brush, and I am gonna go in with this one right here, which is Sienna by Anastasia. I'm going to apply that on halfway on the fudge shade, but halfway on to the blank area. Like so. And I'm going to bring it a bit more in with this one. And just applying circular motions in here. So you will hear my kids in the background. There's nothing I can do about that. So yeah. So what is you guys' favorite recipe to be cooking right now? I haven't got a particular one to be cooking because we are cooking quite a lot of things lately, and I was thinking of doing a recipe video. I know I've been saying this for quite a while now. It's just like I'm not used to doing it, so I don't know how it's gonna pan out. And I know I need to try it though. So I'll be going in with Note to Self by Colourpop. I'll be picking it up on the Zoeva Luxe Define Crease brush. And I'm gonna be lightly just blending out the edges of the last shade. And I'm going to be taking it up a bit more on the corner, on the outer corner, just blending it out, making it a bit more smoky. So I'm going to repeat these steps again. So I'm picking up fudge again and just deepening up that color. The next color. So this time I'm going in with a much lighter hand, just adding a bit of color. So you're going to go back and forth until you're happy with what you've got. Now I'm going to cut my crease with the PLouise base in number 2, same base that I used on my crease. Okay, and I'm going to use the tip of my finger to blend the edges of the concealer out. And I'm going to go back in with the fudge shade and apply that. So my camera wasn't filming, I forgot to press play. So I am using Game Changer by Colourpop on the lid, and I'm using my finger to apply it, and then I will be going in with a brush after that, just to fix the edges. So I'm gonna get my Dose of Colours brush and the shade Fudge again and do the outer corners again, blend it all in. My M506 and go into the middle shade, which is Sienna, and just add those colours around the outer edges really lightly, because we don't want to get rid of the darker shade because it's already fading. Just need to put that on as a gradient. Okay, and I'm going to get my Zoeva brush and pick up Note to Self and just blend out the edges really lightly. So I'm going to do the rest of my face now. I'm going to be correcting the under eyes. So for foundation, I am going in with Bourjois Healthy Mix foundation in the shade light bronze. Concealer, I'll be using Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade 8.5. So for contouring, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in shade 13.5. So So now I'm going to be going in with my Freedom London contour kit, and I'm going to be using this shade and this shade for my cheek. And my face is looking a bit more brighter than my neck right now, so I'm going to have to do something about that. So I'm going to set the rest of my face using the Laura Mercier Translucent Nude Setting Powder. Onto my nose now. I'll be using the Blank Canvas E26 brush, which is an eye blending brush, but I'll be using this shade, this one. I will link my contouring video up here so you'll see how I contour properly. Now I'm going to pick up my Jessup large fluff brush, and yeah, this is what it looks like. And I'm going to do set the sides of my nose shade just right here. So now I'll be using my Morphe E47 brush, which looks like this, and I'm going to get the setting powder down my nose. Now I'm going to go in with my lower lash line. So I'm going to start off with Sienna, which was the middle shade on the top, and I'm going to put that in first. So I'm using the same brush as I used on the top. I'm going to take it and join it to the rest of it. I'm going to go in with Fudge, which was the first shade I used, and I'm going to be using a bit more flat, a bit more defined brush. So this is the Jessup 214, and Fudge is the first shade that I used. And now I'm going to go in with Note to Self with the same brush that I used for it on the top, which is the Zoeva Luxe Define Crease 224. Now I'm going to bronze up my face. MAC Give Me Sun. So I'm now going to go in with Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finishing Powder, and I'm in the shade Medium number 2. I'm using a Real Techniques brush. This is the powder brush, and I'm just going to use that to take off all of the bake. So for blush, I'm going to go in with Gingerly by MAC. Highlight, I'll be using So Hollywood by Anastasia. This is broken, so I won't be opening it to show you guys, but they don't sell the compact form anymore, but they do sell loose powder in this, so you can still get this. To tight line, I'll be using the MUA Intense Color Liner in Lights. And for mascara, I'll be using my Primark Wonder Lash mascara. So I'm going to do my lips and then go off camera and do my lashes and come back. So for the lips, I'll be using Nude Beige by NYX. And for lipstick, I am using Brown Sugar by Maybeline. So I'm now going to go off camera, apply my lashes and come back to you guys with the finished look. So this, guys, is the finished look. I applied Honey by Coco & Class for my lashes. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and give me a lovely little comment down below. Bye for now, guys.